Hi guys, for today's episode, we are gonna make a tutorial about facial expressions in the body anatomy. Because in the last episode, we tackled about how to make an idea in the basic shading. So if hindi niyo pa nakita yun, make sure na makita niyo kasi importante din yun para sa process ng paggawa ng isang editorial cartooning. So, let's begin with the body anatomy. Bago ka mag-sketch ng isang katawan, make sure na ma-identify mo yung ground, middle, and the head. After that ay gagawin mo naman yung curve line or kahit ano. Ang tawag dyan ay posture lining. After that, from the middle ay gagawa ka ng shapes para sa body. Maraming shapes na pwede sa cartooning. Pero kung anong prefer mo, yun ang gagawin mo. Merong square shape, the round one, the triangle one, and you can make your own shapes kung saan ka comfortable. For better understanding sa angle ng body, ay example itong cube na to. Kung saan angle yan nakalagay, doon din nakaharap yung character mo. Tsaka sa isang cube ay nasa sayo na yan kung whole body ba yan or hanggang middle ba tulad dito. Importante yan kasi yan ang mabibigay 3D effect sa character para maging kaya-aya yung article. So let's proceed to the facial expressions. From my experience, my foundation about sa facial expression is the eyebrow and the mouth. Kasi kapag sa eyes ay pwede lang yan i-resting eye. It depends sa'yo kung gagalawin mo yan. So here is my way on how make an eye. So first is gagawa ka ng open close parenthesis na baliktad dyan sa nose line and gagawin mo yung following yan sa eyes and kahit saan mo ilagay yung itim na mata. Kahit saan mo ilalagay ay yan yung resting eye mo. Tsaka for the eyebrows is ito yung mga expressions ng eyebrows na may happy, rest lang. Confusion isa at sa yung mad at sad. And also, we don't forget the mouth. The expression of the mouth, there's happy, mad, pain, sad, disgusting, afraid or in pain, random and sad. So kahit na may nakalagay dyan na label, happy, mad, pain, ay pwede mo pa rin yung magamit at ma-recycle sa ibang mga expressions kasi depende lang yan sa emotions ng article mo. So hanggang dito lang natatapos ang ating episode na to. So for the next episode ay gagawin ko ay iba't ibang tips para mag-improve kayo sa yung editorial cartooning. So if you like this video, make sure to thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And kung may suggestion kayo sa next tutorial natin ay comment mo lang dyan sa baba. And thank you for watching. Peace out.